Hi, my name is Gagan Kaur. Today I am giving a PPT presentation of subject accounting for business. My student ID is GEV3038. First of all, introductions. Accounting keeps record of financial data and the managing is systematic fashions in order to carrying out the organization. It includes records, reportings, and summarizing of a financial data that are used for a manager to calculate our result for an organization, which is help to produce a more expenditure over a period of time. And the second one is question A. According to the case study, George bought a building 4 years ago. The amount, the value of building is 4 lakh dollar. $4 and the current value of which has exceeded up to 8 lakh dollar. The second one is calculation. Everything it is observed that the total assets value of is 10 lakh dollar, but the over this the liability is 6 lakh dollar. And third one is advantage. In the case of sole proprietorship, every profit is subjected to the business owner only. Hence, the profit received by the owner will be high, as there is no issue of sharing it. As per the view of Mergelina, the business owner services full flexible regarding running the business, making an infrastructure and excluding the plans. And the third one is question C. Question B. A business asset is anything value owned by a business organization or the owner. And business assets can be of the various types of, like a property, vehicle, raw material, products, furniture, a technical device, and so on. All these type of assets are termed as a tangible assets. And the fourth one is question C. The measure of factors understanding whether a recent broad business is profitable or not. The calculation of a book value of any organization is given utmost important. It usually sums up the assets value of the entire business are subtracted is from the summarizing of the liability amount of the same organization. From these questions we are saying that it's up to on the assets of the organization, where they are calculation the value of assets, which is as well as the calculation of the cost of liabilities, which has to pay via an organization is liability up on a organizations. So here the question D and E is explained by my second partner, which name is Rupinder Kaur. And